Okay. So first, you get one banana. Get one banana. Go ahead. Go ahead, get one banana. And put it in the cup. Alright, put it inside the cup. Good job. No. Good job. Get your sugar. Careful. And put that in the cup. Good job. Oh, don't spill it. There you go. Wow, good job. Okay. Now you'll get your milk. Oh, careful. Don't spill it. Uh-huh. There you go. Good job. We're going to need more milk. Mommy will do that part, okay?
More milk?
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
Yeah, you want to hold the camera while I do the milk?
The video, Babu makes a milkshake.
Mm-hmm.
Milk.
We're going to do
Milk.
that much milk.
Milk.
Yeah. You see how much milk we put in? You see that? Okay. Alright, now we're going to put the blade on there. Mommy's going to do that for me.
Yeah.
Okay, can you hold the camera?
Yeah.
Can you hold it? Alright, hold it right there, okay? Don't drop it. Alright, now we're going to blend.
Yeah.
Alright, you're going to blend it? Let's just do it one more time. Just in case that banana wasn't blended all the way.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, hold the camera. Alright, now I'm going to pour this so we can look at it.
Yeah.
Drink it. Ooh.
Milk.
There you go. You're welcome.
Mama.
Yeah, take a drink. What do you think?
Milk.
Is it good?
Milk.
Good milk?
Yeah. Yeah, Mama.